Hi everyone. Thank you for those who still stay with us. For those who have just joined the session, warm welcome to you. I'm Johan Lehmann from Code-Based Technologies and my role is as the country manager for Indonesian market. I'm very pleased to be able to again welcome all of you in Singapore Fintech Festival 2021 Day 3. All right, for the next 10 minutes, I would like to give you a brief of introduction to code-based technologies, as well as to share the digital transformation journey, especially in Indonesia and in the line of banking and fintech. Now, some of you may already heard about us and even work with code-based technologies before, but some of you may not. Allow me to reintroduce our lovely company, Code-Based Technologies. Codebase is a pioneer in the space of digital banking in the GCC, South Asian and APAC regions, offering a suite of products that span across core banking systems all the way to front channels, which are all Sharia compliant, cloud ready, SaaS ready with multi-tenant operability. We are proud to have referenced many of the first digital initiatives in the GCC region, including Kuwait Finance House in Bahrain, who is running their digital bank on our award-winning name DigiBank, yeah, and Iroda Capital, which is UAE's first challenger neobank backed by the royal family of Abu Dhabi, Dubai Islamic Bank, and the National Bank of Pakistan, to name a few. Within APAC, we are rapidly building our customer base and footprint with financial institutions, as well as government organizations. Now, I will step into the Indonesian market drivers or digital transformation journey. Some of you may wonder what is going on with the digital transformation journey in Indonesia. In recent times, there has been extraordinary development of information and communication technology, which has led to rapid increase in internet and smartphone penetration. These phenomena have changed how consumers behave and expect to conduct various financial and non-financial activities. Technological innovation will fulfill consumers' demand with the best comfort, speed, accuracy, ease of access, and efficiency when conducting each of their activities. This is an indication that we are living in early stages of digital revolution. This revolution is moving rapidly and changing the economic structure and financial system globally, including Indonesia. On the highlight of digital banking in Indonesia, Indonesia banking customers are among emerging Asia's most enthusiastic adopters of digital banking and they have high openness to digital banking propositions. They are very open to digital banking. Over the past 3 years, monthly usage of digital banking channels in Indonesia have grown twice as fast as other emerging Asian markets. Furthermore, 56% of non-digital customers said they were likely to use digital banking in the next 6 months. This is the second highest figure for any country in emerging Asia after Myanmar. According to some survey made by McKinsey and Deloitte, average number of product purchase in 12 months is 1.4 made by active digital customer, while average number of product owned per customer is 3.2. Channel usage by the active customers on online banking and mobile apps is 6 to 7 times higher than the branches. The awareness of digital banking has increased even dramatically since COVID-19 hit. 82% of consumers are concerned about going to their banks, 73% doing more remote work, 63% are inclined to try a digital app. Now, talking about the adoption, the fast online banking adoption is fall in the category of productive age. 69% between 20 to 24 years old, 74% between 25 to 34 years old, 69% between 35 to 44 years old, 59% between 45 to 54 years old. And all in all, there are three components are driving customers in adopting digital banking. 52% stronger data security, 44% do more than normal transactions, 44% real-time problem solutions. Give me a second. Okay, now talking about going digital, yeah, open up multiple opportunities to bank while at the same time expose bank to the challenges of cybersecurity risks to be managed. What are the opportunities? The bankable segment of young professional and young family potential to be served through digital channel are growing. The population is in 2020 alone is 2.9 million on young professional and 9.9 million on young family. High penetration on smartphones and internet, also development of new technologies in digital banking like eKYC, QR Pay, NFC payment, API. While the challenges are phishing is still one of the major cyber risks, malware attempts to steal data on customer device. Social engineering is also widespread in Indonesia, where customers are scammed to reveal their banking credentials. SIM card takeover is a fraud modus where fraudsters take over customer SIM card using fake ID and gain access to customers' banking OTP. All right, so as we enter the new normal caused by the pandemic, reduction of mobility and physical contacts have changed customer behavior. Thus, banks also responding the way they are servicing the customers. What they are doing, reduce branch operational hours, temporarily close some branches, on face-to-face interaction, and promote and shift services to digital. As a result, according to Central Bank of Indonesia survey, digital transaction number grow to 64%, volume grows 37%, online account opening reached 5,100 per day. With its rapidly growing population of digital customer and high internet penetration, Indonesia is on the brink of becoming one of the largest digital economy markets in Asia. Indonesia is now home to over 100 fintech companies. The exponential growth of investment and number of players are signs that digital finance innovators, including fintech companies, play a key role in driving the digital revolution. Okay, so in response, the Indonesia Financial Services Authority, or known as OJK, has issued the Digital Finance Innovation Action Plan for 5 years from 2020 to 2024, which focus on developing a supportive and comprehensive digital financial ecosystem to create a financial services industry that is competitive, resilient to change, and fit for the future. In this action plan, the authority have set out the objectives and commensurate actions to achieve them. OJK plans to introduce operational resilience standard for the fintech industry, including reviewing guidance for critical and essential employees, ensuring employee safety, and making sure they can safely resume their duties remotely if necessary, reviewing in the information technology infrastructure that IT infrastructure can support a sharp increase in usage over an extended period, and taking steps to safeguard information security, ensuring that third-party service providers and/or critical suppliers are taking adequate measures and are sufficiently prepared for a scenario in which there will be heavy reliance on their services, and remaining vigilant about cyber resilience to identify and protect vulnerable systems and detect, respond to, and recover from cyber attack. All right, so that's the end of my session. I don't want to take too much of your time. So enjoy the rest of the day. If you have any questions, suggestions, clarification, or just want to say hi, you can send us a message or by booking a meeting with us. Thank you and stay healthy. Bye-bye.